Okay, yeah, welcome back. So we're still in the farm. So this is the second ewedu suspended in water. You can see to be in that cloth. Don't press it. Don't try to press the water out, because sometimes some people will press the water out. Don't press it. So I will just drop the cloth somewhere here. That's it. Then I will open it up. Hopefully I will use one. I should be able to use one hand to lose this. Okay, yes, this is good. So you lose the clothes. I just want you to see that really it's a ewedu seed that I suspended in this cloth. So okay, oh, you can see this is the seed here. So what you have here is what you just spread. Just put it where you are going to spread it, and we untie this, spread the cloth. You see the same clothes. You see the same clothes that I'm using for the drying. So that is why you use the clothes that you are using for drying, because so that you will not waste your seed. That will enable you save a lot of seed from wastage. So use the same cloth you intend to use for drying, for suspension. Okay, this is it. That way, what you just do is you spread, and you can see there are a lot of seed here. This seed is going into about 3 acres of land. Of course, this is not all, because the idea of planting ewedu seed again is, as long as the land is on a heap or ridge, make sure you broadcast the same day the ridge is made. That way you can help the land is still very, very loose, the topsoil is still very, very loose, and then you have a quick germination. From experience, that is what I do. So I'm going to be talking about broadcasting in the next video.